Welcome back. Now news from sports. Salgaocar Sports Club and Dempo Cricket Club won their respective league matches in the Bandodkar Trophy tournament organized by Panjim Gymkhana. Salgaocar beat GCA Academy Stars by 56 runs, while Dempo Cricket Club scored a 5-wicket victory over Salgaocar Royals on Tuesday.
Salgaocar captain Sagun Kamath was in blazing form as the left-handed batsman scored 85 runs. GPL 2020 and 3 days champion Salgaocar scored an imposing total of 182 runs for the loss of just 3 wickets in the allotted 20 overs. In reply, the GCA boys were all out for 126 runs. Sarfaraz scored 38 while Ninad was the other notable contributor for GCA with 33 runs. Salgaocar bowlers shared the workload with Shemal Vaingankar, Sharman Waz and Arun Wagji claiming 2 wickets each. In the other match of the day, Dempo Cricket Club scored a 5-wicket victory over an injury-hit Salgaocar Royals. Our video journalist from Kampal, Prudent.
Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Delhi and Haryana put up impressive performances on the second day of the 39th National Sub-Juniors Basketball Championship. The tournament is in progress at Agnel Ashram premises in Verna.
Rajasthan boys thrashed Kerala by 66 points to 12 in a one-sided contest. The pick of the clashes was Uttar Pradesh against West Bengal. The contest went into extra time with West Bengal winning 76 to 75. Delhi hammered Jammu and Kashmir by 45 points to 2. Haryana were too good for Himachal Pradesh, winning by 54 points to 6. Here are some highlights. Our reporter from Verna, Savio Dias.
8 teams are taking part in the ongoing Manchester United Premier Cup Under-15 football tournament at Seza Football Academy ground at Sirsai. Salgaocar Sports Club boys are leading Goa's challenge in this tournament. Salgaocar made a great start to the West Zone competition, winning both their games on the opening day. Qualifier Chandigarh and Jharkhand teams will join the competition for the national finals to be held on Thursday.
Salgaocar met Narmada Sporting from Madhya Pradesh in the opening match. The Green Brigade edged the contest by a solitary goal. Salgaocar produced a high-scoring performance in their second match, winning 7-0 against ICF from Tamil Nadu. Other teams in the competition are Dune Sports Club, Ozone, PIFA, Idukki and Young Club. Winner of the national finals will head to Bangkok for continental contest. The continental winners play the world competition in England for Manchester United Premier Cup. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Guava is rich in vitamin C. Ever heard about guava squash? It can add another drink to your list of summer drinks. It is easily available, easy to make and can give relief in the scorching heat. Watch our special series on summer, Beat the Heat with Avinash Joshi.
Party people all around me feeling hot, hot, hot.
पेर हे सगळ्यांची आवडटी गोष्ट. भुरगीं तर आवडीन खातात पेरा. आयज आमी पळोवया पेराचे स्कॉश. अरे तुम्ही कितली पेरा घेतलेली आसा? 4 पेरा. पूण तेच्यो त्यो बियो असतात त्यो कितें करप?
हे मॅश करता तो बियो चाळून घुवता. हे ज्युसी फ्रूट न्ही म्हणटकच ते बॉयल करून स्कॉच करता आणि तेंच्यान येता. तर असं करून काढून जाय. काढून जातकच तो मेजून घेवप. ते पयलींचे उदक ते उकडून सुकिल्लें उदक.
तेचो यूज केलो जाता.
बाकीच्या एक चमचो झाला आता तेल.
Celebration time. Is it sweet? Captivate your mind. We have this party sound. It's fun.
पेराचो स्कॉश रेडी जाला. खूप टेस्टी आसा. तुम्ही ट्राय करून पळया.
Party people all around me feeling hot, hot, hot.
Don't worry if you have missed this bulletin. Log on to www.prudentmedia.in, or you can also catch latest updates on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.